Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. Instagram users are able to add timed text to their Reels videos directly within the app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. After that, press on the Reel option. Once the camera screen opens, record the video or upload it from your phone's gallery. Now click on the text icon at the top of the screen. Type in your text and then edit it by selecting the text font, resizing, animating, and changing its color. When your text is ready, tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you may place your text anywhere on the screen. To choose the text duration on the video, simply drag the edges of the timeline at the bottom of the screen. As soon as the duration of your text is selected, hit the checkmark icon. Keep in mind that you can also mix audio, do voiceover, use effects, insert stickers, and draw something on your video. Once your video is ready, press on the next button and share it to Reels. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.